Facial serums are super important within the regime or within your regime because they really help to target certain specific issues going on with you at that time. And Radiant Light is a fabulous serum oil which has been designed for dull skin, fatigued looking skin, skin that's actually suffering with pigmentation issues. So if you have uneven skin tone, post-inflammatory pigmentation, which is the pigmentation that occurs after you've had a spot or some blemishes which leave marks behind, if your skin has been damaged in the sun, or in general, if you just want a really skin boosting antioxidant dose of gorgeousness to your skin, this is the one to use.
And we need to use both a serum and a moisturiser on a daily basis.
Yeah, serums are really targeted, and then your moisturiser is really what you use on top of that to seal, to protect. We have fabulous ingredients in here. We've got the gorgeous oil, sea buckthorn. Sea buckthorn has got the most and the highest amount of vitamin A. So that helps to give skin rejuvenation. It actually stimulates cellular renewal. We have aniba roseodora, and it's fantastic to treat hyperpigmentation. This is again another intelligent formulation where we are working with 18 plant extracts.
The Radiant Light Facial Oil Serum has got this incredible colour.
Yeah, and that colour is coming from sea buckthorn berries, which are bright orange with a fabulous high potency of vitamin A. One pump's all you need. It's a potent blend, an intelligent blend of 18 different plant extracts. And you just take your finger or fingers, 2 fingers, 1 finger, however you feel comfortable to apply it, and dot it all over the face. And once you've dotted it all over the face, then you can work it into the skin, or you can apply it like Hayley did, fingertips, work it through, warm it up, and then apply it onto the skin. One pump goes far. It's not a facial oil, okay? So I need you to understand you do not use it in the same way that you would use a facial oil. A facial oil is something that you would probably use 2 or 3 pumps and you've got this nice slip on the skin. With this, all I want you to do is get it onto the skin.